slow cooker butter chicken. Get ready. We've got a yummy meal lined up for you today. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. For the chicken, 2 pounds, 900 grams, boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. For the sauce, 1 medium onion, finely diced. For cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced. 1 can, 14 ounces, crushed tomatoes. Half cup heavy cream. 4 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 1 tablespoon garam masala. 2 teaspoons paprika. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. Half teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt to taste. For serving, basmati rice, fresh cilantro, chopped. Naan, bread, optional. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 6 to 7 hours. 1. Prepare the chicken. Season chicken pieces with salt and pepper. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and brown the chicken on all sides, about 5 minutes. 2. Make the sauce base. In the same skillet, saute onion until softened, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add garlic and ginger. Cook for another minute. 3. Add spices. Stir in garam masala, paprika, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and cayenne. Cook for 30 seconds until aromatic. 4. Combine in slow cooker. Transfer the onion mixture to the slow cooker. Add crushed tomatoes and sugar. Stir to combine with the chicken. 5. Cook. Cover and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or high for 2 to 3 hours until chicken is tender and easily shreds. 6. Finish the dish. In the last 30 minutes of cooking, stir in heavy cream and butter. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and additional spices if needed. 7. Serve. Serve over basmati rice, garnished with fresh cilantro and alongside naan bread if desired. Little tricks that make a big difference. For richer flavor, marinate the chicken in yogurt and spices for 2 to 4 hours before cooking. Don't lift the lid frequently during cooking to maintain consistent temperature. The sauce will thicken as it cools slightly. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal